Hey guys, we're back. Charles Scicli here, Desert Properties, bringing another brand new listing in Rancho Las Palmas, 70 Durango. Come on in. Welcome to Rancho Las Palmas. This is a Plant 200, approximately 1,500 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, big tile floors throughout. You have granite slab countertops in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and you're in a prime location right by the pool. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing at 70 Durango in Rancho Las Palmas. I'm Charles Scicli with Desert Properties. For more information, contact me direct.